Today we're gonna learn e particle. This is read as e. There's one usage, direction marker. In other words, to or towards. Some action proceeds to somewhere or something or someone even. Give you an example. 公園へ行きました。公園 park へ here 行きました。When I went to the park. 父へ手紙を書きました。父へ手紙を書きました。父 father へ to 手紙 letter を書きました。wrote a letter to my father. I wrote a letter to my father. If you're new to Japanese language and if you're wondering, where's I? Where's my father? We tend to exclude I and my and you. If I'm saying chichi without specifying someone's father, it means my father. And if I'm asking you, 行きましたか? Did you go? Without specifying did she go? Did he go? And if I'm looking at you in the eyes, I'm talking about you. So Japanese language is actually a very lazy language. We tend to exclude so many things. So even for Japanese native speakers, it's sometimes unclear what we are talking about. If you're smart, oh, can I replace this with a ni? Yes, you can. 公園に行きました. If you want to learn about ni particle, it's up right here. It's either ni or e. It's fine. 机の上、机の上へ乗りました。に either one's fine. 机の上に机の上へ乗りました。机 desk 上 on. So on the table, on the desk. に towards table, on the desk. This is where we're going. に乗りました stand on. 乗りました originally means right, but in this case it means stand on. I stood on the desk. It's a little more complex than English, but I want you to just practice saying this. When can you not use e? If there's a no particle, you can use ni or e. ここまでの道は長かった。ここまで。まで if you want to learn. まで here, but means to. Until here. To here. の道 the path of to here. Path of to here. As for this, it was long. Now, ここまで. ここ, right? まで until. Now, ここまで is a place. Until this place. Until here. So that's direction, right? But since there's no here is working as of. Path of until here. Road of until here. This is how we say. You cannot use ni here or a here. No, you cannot use neither. You can only say ここまでの. What's the difference between ni and e? Native Japanese speakers, we use ni and e interchangeably. There's not really a rule, but we tend to use ni more often in a conversation and e more often in writing. So it really doesn't really matter. You hear a lot of ni when speaking to Japanese people. So if you're gonna use direction marker to, towards, in a conversation, I would say use ni. It sounds more natural. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more contents like this. And if you want to have a private lesson with me, one-on-one, I have a link in the description below. You can check it out. I will see you in the next one. Until next time.